Hesperia is a lower socioeconomic status area, and many of our students are struggling with their reading and math skills.
I'm gonna lift up the top card. This is your card, remember this card. And take your card, put it in the middle, up there. Stop. Right there, where you said stop was where your card was. What? At some point, when you don't expect it, you'll get to another level with knowing more stuff.
The reward system that keeps kids engaged in Khan Academy help kids like Sean turn from, oh, I'm bored working through this textbook and I'm not really engaged type of a smart kid to, wow, this is exciting. Let me go learn some more. I assign to each student, the whole class, an entire unit. That next day in class, we'll have a class lecture. Students take notes in their math portfolios. On your mark and set, Chromebooks open. Then they dive right into Khan Academy, start the skills in that unit, and work at their own pace. So as they practice self-paced learning, they own their learning. They are so excited. Their self-pride and self-confidence just overflows, and they start to believe they can learn. And the results are there. State test scores are amazingly up, which proves that they were truly mastering their skills.
First, let's do 6, 10, 6.
Khan Academy is bringing out Sean's leadership skills, which he has always had, but now he is realizing that he does have them because he gets to put those leadership skills into practice.
When I learn my math more, I get a better understanding of all the math problems, so then if somebody needs more help, I'll get it right and try to talk to them more and help them understand it.